The Greta Oto butterfly looks completely weightless. This creature is incredibly delicate and refined, as if it were crystal. The wings with which nature has gifted this magical butterfly are incredibly beautiful. They are so transparent and delicate that they shine through like glass. Greta Oto lacks the colored scales that give color to butterfly wings. However, at a certain angle of light, the glass butterfly changes its transparency and begins to shimmer like a soap bubble, emitting iridescent reflections. The Greta Oto butterfly looks extraordinary, a true wonder of nature. What makes the glass butterfly visible is the framed edges of its wings, which are dark brown with a reddish glow, and its brown torso. There are also whitish spots on the wings of this beauty that complete her fabulous image. The glass butterfly looks quite small and has a wingspan of only 6 centimeters. The Greta Oto butterfly lives in Central and South America. The amazing glass butterfly lives in tropical rainforests from Mexico to Argentina. Within its habitat, the Greta Oto is the most abundant species. The butterfly's lack of color is a way of camouflage. Light passes through the insect's thin wings, making it virtually invisible and unnoticeable to birds and other predators. Despite their outward fragility, glass butterflies are strong and hardy. During their migrations, the Greta Oto live in groups and can travel up to 20 kilometers in a day. Greta Oto play an important role in the pollination of most plants. The main difference between these butterflies is that they are poisonous. The toxicity of the butterfly discourages predators, which gives it the ability to increase its population. In this regard, enemies in the natural environment are not afraid of the insect. Who would want to eat food seasoned with poisonous toxins? Therefore, birds and other insectivorous predators are not interested in the Greta Oto butterfly. During mating season, male glass butterflies congregate in shady areas and hold a sort of viewing party. They engage in a fair fight and actively emit pheromones to attract females. The Greta Oto butterfly lays eggs on small evergreen shrubs of the Cestris genus, whose leaves will then be food for the caterpillar. Females of these butterflies do not lay eggs on the same plant twice. The caterpillars of the glass moths are striped and covered with thick tufts. Greta Oto butterflies feed on the nectar of the many flowers growing in their habitat. Glass butterflies are not sensitive to the substances of poisonous plants and use them for their own protection. At the caterpillar stage, Greta Oto butterflies feed only on plants of the Cestrum genus. The glass butterfly caterpillars eat this toxic plant so that their bodies accumulate Cestrum extracts that are harmful to birds. The toxins accumulated from the plant persist in the insect's body for life. Adult Greta Oto butterflies feed exclusively on the nectar of the flowers of various plants. Male glass butterflies also feed on the toxic nectar of flowers in the aster family. The poisonous substances in this nectar serve as a pheromone for the males to attract females.